Today, we're exploring something fascinating. We'll discover what makes animals unique, their key characteristics, and the amazing diversity of life forms in this kingdom. What is the Animalia Kingdom? The Animalia Kingdom represents one of the 5 fundamental groups scientists use to classify life on Earth. This branch of life's evolutionary tree began around 600 million years ago. Zoology, the scientific study of animals, focuses on discovering new species, understanding their evolutionary connections, and organizing them into groups based on their relationships. They are multicellular organisms. All animals are built from multiple cells working together, each containing a well-defined nucleus enclosed by a membrane. These eukaryotic cells organize themselves into specialized tissues, allowing animals to develop complex body systems. They are heterotrophic beings. Animals can't produce their own food because they need to consume other organisms to survive. This has led to the evolution of fascinating feeding strategies and digestive systems across different species. They have different locomotion systems. Animals have developed various ways to move through their environments, supported by different types of protective outer layers, from tough skeletons to scales, fur, and feathers. They have a complex morphology and size. The diversity of animal shapes and sizes is extraordinary. From microscopic organisms to massive whales, each adapted perfectly to their ecological niche. They have a complex nervous system. The animal nervous system consists of interconnected nerve cells that process information from the environment. This network allows animals to sense their surroundings, respond to changes, and interact with other organisms. They have an endocrine system. Think of this as the body's chemical messaging system. Hormones regulate everything from growth and metabolism to behavior and reproduction. They have circulatory systems. Whether through blood vessels or other channels, these systems ensure that every cell gets the resources it needs to function. They have a complex breathing process. Different animal groups have evolved unique ways to obtain oxygen. Mammals use lungs, fish have gills, insects use a network of tubes called tracheae, and some amphibians can even breathe through their skin. Classification of the animal kingdom. Scientists study how different animals are related to each other and group them based on their shared features and body structure. Today, we know that there are 34 different animal groups called phyla. Each phylum includes animals that share similar characteristics and a common ancestor. Let's look at the main phyla, starting with the simplest body types and moving to more complex ones. First, we have porifera, the sponges. Though they might not move around, these 9,000 species are true animals that filter food from water. Next are the cnidarians, with 10,000 species, including jellyfish and the corals that build reefs. The platyhelminths are flatworms, with 20,000 species found both in water and on land. Nematodes count 25,000 species of roundworms. They are small but present in almost every habitat on Earth. Annelids include 17,200 species of segmented worms, from common earthworms to colorful marine worms. Mollusks are a big group with 93,000 species, from garden snails to octopi and squid. The largest group is the arthropods, with an amazing 1.2 million species. We're talking about insects, spiders, and even crabs. Echinoderms include 7,000 species like sea stars and sea urchins, all living in the ocean. And finally, the chordates with 64,788 species. The phylum Chordata is particularly interesting as it includes us and all animals with a spinal cord. During development, all chordates share a key feature, the dorsal cord, which in humans becomes our spinal cord, essential for movement and nervous system function. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.